Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at adding a link to a Word document inside an Excel worksheet. So I have an Excel worksheet here, and what I want to do is to link some of the files that I use when I'm putting together my videos for YouTube, and these are Word files. I want them to be readily accessible. So I've got an empty worksheet here to use. I want mine to look really neat, and so I'm going to attach them to something that looks like a button. So I'm going to the Shapes panel here, and I'm going to the rounded rectangle. You can find it here in the rectangles area. Just going to drag out my shape. And then I'm going to right click and add my text. So for this one, I want this to be the one for my office videos. So you're just going to put in there whatever it is that is going to make it self-evident to you exactly what you're going to be opening when you click this link. So I'm just going to center it, the text inside the button here. And then I'm going to click on the button, not the text. I'm going to right click and I'm going down here to link. And what I want to do is I want to link to a recent file. So the easiest way to use this process is to actually go and open the file and then close it. And as soon as you open and close it, it goes into the recent files list, which means it's really easy to find. So here we've got an existing file or a web page selected here. That's fine. I'm going to recent files, and here is the file that I want to link to. So it's in my recent list, and I'll just click OK. Now when I click away, I can test my button, and I'm just going to click on it once, and that opens up my file, so I can close that down. Now it's also possible to add a shadow to this, so I'm just going to right click on the shape and I'm going down to Format Shape, and if I go here to the effects, I can go to shadow, and let's just add a shadow. So I'm going to the presets and just choose this one as a shadow, and so I've got here now a button that I can just click to open that Word file at any time. Now in some cases in the future, you may find that when you click on your little faux button to open the file, that you get a prompt to say that you're opening a linked file, and you may have to answer yes to it. I just find that the entire process just makes things a whole lot more simple to be able to access a Word file from inside an Excel document when this is the document that I use that Word file from. So whenever I need access to that Word file, the chances are that this Excel document is going to be open on the screen anyway. And so just being able to click to open a file just makes life a whole lot easier for me, even if I do have to go past a security prompt and say yes to open the file. And of course, I can have multiple links inside this sheet. I'm actually going to go ahead and do that now and add a whole series of links for the files that I need to use when I'm working in this worksheet for that particular task. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.